Hello and welcome to Vicon Valerus Tutorials. In this video, we will show how to log in and use the Valerus web application. We will show its basic monitoring features and screen layout for the main operator's application. This video clip focuses on the monitoring screen. Other screens and areas of the application are covered by separate video clips. This is the Valerus web application login page. You may log in using your username and password. The default username is admin, and the default password is 1234. By default, the application will start at the last state it was left in. This means that video and audio that was open will reopen like before. This behavior can be avoided if needed by switching it off. When logging in for the first time, the display layout will be the 2x2 layout. We'll discuss changing the layout in tabs later in this video. The top bar allows us to access the different applications within Valerus, based on the authorization the specific user has. Monitoring. The Monitoring tab is the main tab and the most used one. It allows viewing and listening of live cameras and microphones, as well as playing back recorded video and audio. Search opens the search screens including thumbnail, museum, and event framework search. Configuration includes all the Valerus configuration menus. Configuration is primarily used by the system installer and administrator. VAX. If the system is integrated to Vicon's VAX access control, you can launch it from here. Dashboard. The dashboard provides system health monitoring, as well as important statistics regarding the different system components. Note that in case there is an error or a warning detected by the system, a red or orange triangle will be shown to draw attention and encourage opening the dashboard screen. Clip export. When exporting clips, this icon will indicate the number of clips, and when clicked will show the different options for those. Flag icon. If there are any system updates or messages, you will see the number of messages, if they exist, under the flag. Clicking the flag then will open the messages. The selected date and time format is also shown. User settings. The username currently logged into the system is shown next. When clicking it, a menu will open with three options. The About option will show you your system activation key, if activated, the different software version, and has links to the software installation page and copyright information. User settings will open a list of advanced settings which will apply to the current user and client. The last option is Log Out, which will return you to the login screen. Tri-State Full Screen. By pressing this button, we can change the display to two different full screen modes. The first mode puts the web browser into full screen by removing the address bar, but keeping all of the user interface in place. The second mode opens the monitoring video display area and removes all user interface. Note that the modes change with every click of the button, and that exiting the video only mode is done by clicking the escape button. In the monitoring screen, we see the resources list on the left-hand side. The list is shown according to the grouping done in configuration, or can be shown by type of resource if needed. Note that the list can be minimized if more space is needed. The main area of the screen is dedicated to the video display and allows adding, removing, and switching between tabs. When multiple monitors are available, a tab can be moved to a different monitor by clicking and dragging it to another monitor. Above the tabs, we have the options that control the currently viewed tab, such as changing the layout, stopping all displayed video and audio, starting an export for all the resources in the tab, and synchronize the time between playback resources. In this video, we've shown how to log in and use the Valerus application. The basic monitoring features and screen layout for the main operator's application were demonstrated. Other screens and areas of the application are covered by separate video clips.